account challenge update here. I'm going to show you the carnage. I'm going to show you the wins and losses on the new account challenge. It's been almost a year now. I've been putting in $100 every single week, guys. Every single week, $100, building out the account. Going to show the wins and losses. Guys, just keep in mind this is only one portfolio and a small portfolio. But I'm going to show you what happened over the course of the year. What's going on, Lucia D? The fabulous Miss Lucia D. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to show you guys what the account has in it as of today. I actually had a green day today, guys. In the center of the screen, you guys can see all the stocks I have in the new account challenge. I built these out over the course of a year, and I'll go through each and every one of them, guys. But you can see on the day I'm up $67.20 right here. And then the profit and loss for today is up 1.76%. That's really good for the fact that a lot of these stock picks are high growth stocks, which actually got really beaten down this year, guys. They really got hit hard this year. Hey, Tuber Chat, welcome into my live stream, Tuber Chat. Glad to have you here, Kevin. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, in the beginning of the year, the climate was completely different in the stock market. A lot of the small cap high growth stocks were booming in January and February. You had some stimulus checks, you had some money flowing from the government. A lot of people were trying to get into the stock market, maybe to double that money. And a lot of them put it into these high growth stocks. And then what happened was big money decided, well, they're going to start shorting these stocks. And a lot of them got hit hard. Now, this doesn't change the fact that these stocks are great stocks fundamentally. That has nothing to do with it. It's just the cycles of the market. And, you know, we're playing with the big dogs here, guys. We're playing in their playing field. And they can do what they want. What you have to do is just shift and sort of go with the ebb and flow of the market. But this account I got to keep for a longer term. It's not a trading account. I never do options in this account. The only thing I do in this account is I buy shares and I hold on to them, okay? And occasionally I will cut a position and put it into something else. But this is not a trading account per se. This is more of a long-term account, sort of something you build up over time. So just to give you an idea of how that is. I'll go through each and every one of these, guys. I started off the year with a boom. They were doing fantastic. Some of these stock picks were doing very well. And then sort of the market rotation happened and the money sort of flowed into big tech and some other things and kind of left these high growth stocks to stagnate over the year. I'm holding them because I can kind of see a shift happening, and I think we are right on the cusp of a turnaround. Okay, and as you can see on the day, I'm up 1.8%, so you can see that turnaround is possible. Who do we have here? Hey, Brandon Jackson, welcome. We got D. Bailey Speaks, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. I'm a real estate broker and investor. I feel at home here. Awesome, guys. I hope you understand what you're looking at. This is TD Ameritrade. Their platform is called Think or Swim, sort of a play on words, sink or swim. Theirs is called Think or Swim. As an investor, of course, you have to be constantly thinking of your next move. So I kind of like that clever name for the broker. Okay. So the stocks that I have in here, I will show them off one by one, and I will try not to make it too boring for you guys, okay? I will try to make it interesting. The first one on the list we're going to have is Alpine Holdings, guys. This is a conglomeration of many, many other small companies. They are involved in a lot of different things. They're involved in battery manufacturing, they're involved in making drones, they're involved in so many different things because it is a group of companies under one umbrella, so to speak. At this price, I think it's a fantastic stock, a great stock pick, a steal of a price for Alpine 4. They just bought RCA Commercial. If you guys are my age or maybe older, you remember RCA, right? Okay. They just acquired them, so you can see they're acquiring some really good, cool companies, right? They were actually down a little bit today, but I have faith in this company over the next couple years, which is why I'm holding 75 shares and I plan to build that out over 100 shares. That's Alpine 4 ALPP. Next one on the list, guys, you don't need much of an introduction. It's good old AMC Entertainment, AMC. You guys know this whole year has been themed around AMC. The whole Wall Street bets thing that happened, and now you have YouTubers that are just exclusively covering AMC on a daily basis. I cover it occasionally, guys, but I grabbed a couple of these shares not because I'm waiting for the squeeze or anything of that nature. I thought at the price I got it, I thought it was a good stock pick fundamentally because I think AMC has no choice but to go ahead and innovate and change everything about the way they do business. And they have such a cult following now. I think there's really no way that they're really going to fail if they do this right and they keep innovating and sort of bringing the people what they're looking for in the entertainment industry, okay? So that I only got a few shares of this. Um, Mostly also so I can follow it easier. It will always be on the map on this portfolio. Okay, hey, 40 and broke, what's up, Leroy? So, of course, I got a couple AMC. The next one is CRISPR. We're going to talk about biotech for a second. CRISPR Therapeutics does gene therapy. If you have not heard of this stock, I have done a video on it. Look through my video list, okay? Look through my video list is very easy to find. It will tell you all about what CRISPR does. It does gene therapy, guys, and it's one of the big dogs in the gene therapy space. In the future, we're going to be doing not health care, but we're going to be doing health cure, okay? So the idea of this is to go in, do some gene therapy, and actually remove that particular gene that is causing the disease in your body. You will not need medication once the gene therapy is completed. The disease in effect will be cured, okay? That is a very, very quick synopsis of what this company does. If you look at their chart, they were way up over $100 on the year, okay? This is just what it did today, but if you look at it on a yearly chart, and guys, if you don't know how to read charts, guys, you can kind of just look at it. Each day is a candle. The red ones are not great days, the green ones are good days, but guys, look how high it was. It was way up here, guys. The 52-week high, okay, was up in, what is it? 136.76. Okay, so it has a huge amount of potential at the price of 79.92. Still a fantastic price. I think anytime CRISPR is under $100, to be honest, and that's being generous, but guys, this price right now for a long-term stock pick is oh my gosh, I can't even. This is money in the bank right here. They're going to be doing really fascinating and amazing things with CRISPR. And I have another biotech stock in the list, which I will talk about. The next one almost looks like the same ticker, but it's not. Corsair Gaming, CRSR, at 21.85. It was up 3.31% today. Very, very encouraging. Corsair has been shorted so heavily. It is on the list of the, I believe, the 30 most shorted stocks for 2021, okay? They really like to beat up on Corsair Gaming. Why, I don't know. All of the financials for Corsair Gaming are absolutely incredible. They always beat expectations. They're making more and more revenue year over year. It's a great stock pick. This is a great price to grab it at. You can see it did really well today. As you move into the metaverse and the future, guys, you know gaming's not going to go anywhere. Corsair makes a lot of the headsets. This is actually a Corsair headset, okay? I love it. It's comfortable. It sounds good. It's just one of their products. They make many, many other things. They even make desktops. You can get a Corsair PC for your gaming and stuff like that. Check out their website, and they always have refurbished items. If you'd like to look through that, they always have refurbished items listed at the bottom of the page. If you're looking for something to treat yourself to over Christmas, you get a little Christmas money. What's going on, Leroy? What are you up to? I hope everything's going well out there with your new calves. You got two new calves there on the farm. Okay, the next stock we're going to talk about, guys, we're going to talk about the mouse. No introduction needed here. Good old Walt Disney Company. Okay, sitting at 151.05. It's up 3.13% on the day. I think this is going to go well over 200. I'm not worried about Disney at all. I have 5 shares of the Diz. Always innovating, bringing you guys, of course, Disney Plus. You know they own ESPN. They have their hands in so many different things. Of course, the wonderful theme parks that we like to go to. I live in Orlando, so I gotta show props to the mouse. One of the biggest losses I ever took on trying to do options trading was I bet against Disney, and I lost I think about $500 or $600. I will never bet against Disney ever again, guys. It's just how it is. Paralife TV, welcome on to the live stream. Paralife TV, he is a new subscriber, and I appreciate all his support. He's been trying to hop on. Guys, go ahead, reach out, connect everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button and go ahead and make sure you're still subscribed. Sometimes YouTube will unsubscribe you if you don't visit the channel a lot. So just take a quick peek, make sure you're still subscribed and everybody is still locked in, and reach out and support each other. Hello, Miss VSNCO9. Thank you so much. I'm going through the list of stocks that I have in the new account challenge. What I did was I added $100 a week for an entire year. This challenge is almost over, guys. I'm not going to continue it. What I like to do is just go on and do live streams and talk about the stock market. I used to do a video each week updating this account, but I think you guys have a lot more fun when I just do a live stream and we just do regular chat and whatever we decide to talk about, not just, a week by week sort of update. I like it to be more interactive. So instead of doing the weekly updates on this portfolio, I'm just going to continue doing the Friday morning live streams. I think you guys enjoy them, and I look forward to my Friday morning live streams with you guys. So I hope you guys like that. So yeah, I have 5 shares of Disney at this price, around the $150 price point. I think that's a winner chicken dinner, guys. Next one, Editas. Okay, EDIT, they also do gene editing therapy. I love this sort of sector of the biotech, so that is why I have two different stocks in this biotech sector. One of these is going to end up curing Alzheimer's or curing blindness or many, many other disease, sickle cell anemia, things of that nature. They're working on a lot of different projects right now. And sometimes they get FDA approval to start new trials. There's always 3 phases of a trial. It's very, very expensive and very time consuming. But in the end, if they can get this pinpointed, this technology, this is really going to be life changing for a lot of people, okay? We want to eventually be able to cure cancer one day. This is the type of company that's going to do it. Editas Medicine at $29.82 today, under $30. I think it's a good deal. Next one is one of the sin stocks. They call it the sin stock because Altria Group, although it sounds very nice, Altria, They own some of the cigarette companies, guys. But during hard times, during times of recession, depression, during, you know, the job market's bad, people still buy these products. People still go and they buy their cigarettes. They still, they still are gonna just have that vice. It's called a sin stock. Now, I don't necessarily have to feel great about that, but as a stock pick over the year, this is not only a dividend stock, but this stock is very, very stable. The reason I started to buy Altria stock was one for the dividend, but two, because these small cap high growth stocks, the other ones in my portfolio were getting hit so hard. I wanted something as a rock, like a stable, like a rock solid stock that was not going to be doing that. This stock pick is to balance the portfolio out so that it was not all high growth stock, okay? So this is going to give you a little bit of dividend action, and it's also going to give you that stability because it's not going to have those wild up and down swings. If you've never heard of Altria, they own, I believe, Philip Morris. I can't name all of them off the top of my head, but they also own a piece of Kronos, which is getting into the cannabis sector, which is where I think a huge potential lies for the stock pick. And they're getting into a lot of like tobacco alternatives. While although that is not a healthy thing, it is something that the community is looking for, some sort of alternative, whether it be a vape or whether it be like a chew or something like that. Anyway, these type of stocks will always be growing because people like these type of products regardless of how you feel about it. So I have 7 shares of Altria. Again, this was to give this particular portfolio some stability, so it was not all high growth. That was my rock solid stock pick. That and also Disney also gave it a lot of stability. Now we're going to go back to, speaking of a cannabis play, Planet 13 Holdings. Okay, they have a huge superstore out in Las Vegas. If you ever go on the Vegas Strip, you got to check out the store called Planet 13. They have a lot of premium products. They're doing fantastic as a company, guys. This stock is only $3.06 a share. They just built a superstore in Santa Ana. They're going to be building them all over the country. When federal legalization happens, guys, Planet 13 is going to be all over the country. This is going to be a beast of a company. Not only that, but they have a lot of premium products and they have a very nice customer presentation when you come into the store. It's a very beautiful store, very big, fancy, a lot of places to hang out, a lot of beautiful displays. Check it out. You can check them out, check their website out. It's a great stock pick. This is an over-the-counter stock. Okay, so you can't always get it on every broker. It's called over-the-counter or pink slip stock. There's a little bit of an extra fee when you buy this stock, but I think in the long run, this will be very worth it to have this company. This company is a future winner. Okay, I have 100 shares of Planet 13. Another favorite of mine, Palantir. I'll call them the Palantalians, okay? Guys, they are in information technology. Most of you have probably heard about Palantir if you are a retail investor. It had a nice day today, up 5% on the day. I thought under $25 was a smash up of a deal for Palantir, but guys, at this price, you can buy Palantir, or you can do a strategy called selling puts, where you can sell like a $17 put or a $16 put. That's another strategy. You can go ahead and Google that. Check out my homeboy Peter DiCarlo. He does a great job explaining how to sell puts. Also, if you'd like to join a stock market academy, please check out the link up in my banner. I always have that link up there. The first month is free, and if you're not satisfied, guys, you're not stuck in there. There's a money back guarantee. I've benefited immensely from the product. I would not endorse anything I don't believe in. They live stream every morning during the week, Monday to Friday for an hour, and it's a really nice place to hang out. And you also get free Discord access with that Academy membership. It is more like a mentorship, so it's for somebody that's very, very serious. If you really want to take your trading investing to the next level, you want to check my link out for that, guys. You will be very happy that you did. They are making over 90% profit. He logs all his trades. It's legitimate. They're smashing it over there, guys. The only thing is, I don't have enough money to jump in every trade that they take, but they've had some really good hitters. They're doing a great job. If you want to check him out, please use my link and tell him Nora sent you. Please don't forget to tell him Nora sent you. All right, guys, the next one. One of my favorite stocks from last year did not have a good year this year, guys. This is a drone stock. I loved covering the drone stocks, guys. This one hit me the hardest. This one took the biggest hit of the year, Ag Eagle Aerial Systems. They had a contract with a sort of company that was building the receptacles for the drones to land on, and for whatever reason, they lost that contract. So anytime the fundamentals of a company changes, this scares away investors and also changed kind of my outlook on it. I was really hoping for more in the drone sector this year. I really thought this was going to be the year of the drones. And it's just not that time yet. I know the drones are coming. You're going to see food delivery by the drones. You're going to see medicine delivery by the drones, of course, because of the Rona and everything that's maybe slowed down this progress of getting this drone technology out there where we can use the drones for deliveries. I really had a lot of hope that Ag Eagle was going to be a big part of that. Of course, there was the rumor that, of course, Amazon was hiring them to build their drones. That did not end up being the case, or at least to this point, it has never been revealed that that was the case. Okay, so this stock has had wild swings up and down. I decided not to build on this particular stock anymore. However, I am going to hang on to it and kind of see what it does the first couple months of next year. If I ever do cut it, I will let you guys know. I may actually cut this. I hate to do it, but I may actually cut Ag Eagle because, as I stated in a few moments ago, the fundamentals of the company have changed as far as what I was looking forward to see from them, right? So yeah. All right. The last one on the list, guys, we got the Voozy Doozy. And guys, if I missed any of your chat, just please go ahead and shout it out again. Say, hey, Nora, what's up? If you have a question, go ahead and hit me up with any questions that you have. Back Alley's here. Thank you, Back Alley. Back Alley says I made $67 last week with Field Agent, and I thought of you and Leroy. Awesome. Back Alley Stock Picks, check him out. He's our penny stock guy. All right, my last stock on the list to go over is Vuzix. They make smart glasses. This is an exciting company. As you know, we are on the cusp of getting into augmented reality through the use of smart glasses. Vuzix is already doing this, guys. There's companies that are using the Vuzix smart glasses already. They enhance the work environment, okay? So you want to check them out. They're sitting at $9.26. Guys, this stock looks like it's the best mover of the day in this portfolio. Up 6.56%. It's moving up towards that $10 price point, and I'm sure it'll go well beyond $10, guys. Check out the Voozy Doozy. That's what I call it. All right. So that is the portfolio as it stands, guys. Um, the account value is $3,895.17. The best trade I made on this account was TSNP. Back earlier this year, TSNP was a SPAC, which became what is today known as Humble. The trade I made with that profited me about $1,000. That was the best trade of the year in this particular portfolio. Now, guys, this is just one. I have three portfolios that I'm actively managing, okay? My other portfolio is Robinhood. Robinhood is telling me that I'm up 100% on the year. Now, their math is a little questionable because when you add money into Robinhood, it sort of makes the year stats sort of boost them up. I did not add a large amount of money, but occasionally I did add money into the Robinhood portfolio, but it says over the past year I'm up 102.11%. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It beat this portfolio right here. And Webull, I also did very, very well. Now in Robinhood, I do options, and which is not something I do in the TD account, which may have made a huge difference. Of course, go ahead and check out Capitalist Academy if you're interested in doing options. And they're teaching people how to do steady, consistent, low risk options. If that's something you're interested in, you want to check that out. Um, as far as my Webull portfolio, guys, I'm revealing everything here. Um, Profit and losses, I'm also up on the year. It says I'm up 24.50% on the year. Um, so yeah, I'll take that all day long. Uh, in the uh, in the Webull, I don't do options, okay? I just do swing trading on Webull, okay? I don't do options. My biggest gainer on it'll tell you. My biggest gainer in Webull was AMC. I made $3,830.68 on AMC. The second biggest is BNGO, made $853.71. Third one's Nvidia, made $788.94. Shiba Inu made $575.95. It's very unlikely. Also on Webull you can do crypto trading. Made $408 on the DWAC. Remember, that's the Donald Trump SPAC. Okay, made $265 on Nike. Made $246.14 on Fuel Cell, made $225.45 on Tilray. I made money on GM. I made money on Walgreens Boots. Made money on XPEV, Skills, Space, Generac, which is a generator company. They're probably doing amazing right now. AMD, Ford, ARCG, Intel, it goes on, blah, blah, blah. My biggest loser, believe it or not, guys, the loser list is as follows. Dogecoin down $3,294, but I'm holding that. My average is about 40 cents, which is why Dogecoin is the biggest loser. But in the long run, I don't think this is going to be a loser at all. I'm down $1,100. That's not going to be a loser either, guys. This is a patience game. Affirm, I'm down $575. BlackBerry took a hit at $250. I don't think that's going to change this year, but I'm still holding some shares of that. Um, RNXT, which was a penny stock, down 196. Rocket Companies did me dirty, down 194. Corsair, I tried to swing trade, it went the wrong way, down 184. ChargePoint down 179. Pinterest down 175. And Arcimoto down 141. Still holding those though. I think I'm wearing the Arcimoto t-shirt, guys. I still think Arcimoto is going to be a great long-term stock. I'm holding that. A lot of these are great stocks. It's just as far as trades are concerned, they didn't go my way. But I had a lot of fantastic trades. A lot of that credit goes to having a great fundamental education in the market and how to do that. So big shout out to Capitalist Academy and Peter DiCarlo and the team over there, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to come on and show off the new account challenge. Um, show you what I have. If there's any of these stocks on here that you like, let me know or what you think about them. Alright, guys, so I'm going to hop off. Hope you guys have a great night. I'll be making more videos because I have a few days off. Look forward to doing that. And I will see you guys very soon. Thanks for joining the live stream. Show each other some love, guys. Big love to the small YouTuber community out there, guys. Thank you so much.